Let's look at two special cases. Example, solve the following systems of equations. Let's look at problem A first. I will solve this equation by substitution because y in the first equation, I'll mark it equation 1 and equation 2, y in the first equation is pretty easy to be left by itself. So from the equation 1, if you leave y by itself, you will get y equals 3x minus 2. I'll call this equation 3. I'm going to substitute equation 3 into equation 2 because I can't substitute into 1 because 1 and 3 are the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to replace y in the second equation by 3x minus 2. I'll do it over here. So I have 6x minus 2. Instead of y, I'm having 3x minus 2 equals 4. Okay, now solve for x. So distribute the negative 2x. 6x minus 6x plus 4 equals 4. Combine like terms, these two are canceled out. 4 equals 4. So what does it mean, 4 equals to 4? This means that equation 1 and 2 are the same equation. So this means we will have infinitely many solutions. Many solutions. So every point on that same equation is a solution. So we have infinitely many solutions. That's problem A. Now let's look at B. All right, let's do the same thing and mark them equation 1 and equation 2. Let's leave one of the variables by itself. It looks like you can either leave this y by itself or leave this x by itself. It doesn't matter which one it is. I'm going to leave this y by itself. So from equation 1, I'm going to leave y by itself. So I'm going to write it down again. It takes more than one step. So let me move the 3x to the other side. Negative y equals negative 3x plus 6. Subtract, divide both sides by negative 1. Divide each term by negative 1. So we will get y equals positive 3x minus 6. Alright, so now that y is by itself, we'll call this equation equation 3. Remember, equation 1 and 3, they are the same equation. Alright, I'm going to replace y in the second equation, which is this y, this red y, by 3x minus 6. So I'm going to sub equation 3 into equation 2. So that will give me 1/3. Instead of y, I'm having 3x minus 6 equals negative 2 plus x. Okay, distribute. We have 1/3 times 3x. So 1/3 times 3, that's 1. Okay, so we have 1x, which is x minus 6 times 1/3. That's 2. Okay, I'm going to subtract x on both sides. So I get negative 2 equals negative 2. So what is the solution? We have infinitely many solutions.